Hello, and thank you for watching my video. This weekend we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Bow Tie Nationals. It's our first time attending the Bow Tie Nationals at Beach Creek Park. We are staying at the CANDLEWOOD Suites, and this is our review. Hope you enjoy. Very nice place. We're staying on the 3rd floor next to the end. It doesn't look like much on the outside, but on the inside, our room is a suite, and there's a game room with anything you can think of: pool, air hockey, foosball, basketball, Pac-Man, and it's free. We'll show you that later. We have a smoking area right out front. You walk in. Beautiful lobby. You coming? Beautiful lobby area. Got rooms down that way, elevators and game room. You have the lending locker, bunch of everything, crock pots, games, the business center. You have the candlewood cupboard. So you can buy stuff you might have not have brought with you. Then you have uniquely candlewood gym and laundry. Right before, when you turn the other way, is the gym and guest laundry. I'll come back to that. Let's go up to the room. All the way, almost to the very end. We're the next to the last room. And we are 323. It's so confusing because I was 313 and 413 last places. Here we are, and we have a hearing accessible room. I don't know how we did that. They have magnets you can put. Got this big old desk, chair, the TV. We have a queen bed, not a king. And a recliner. And our window opens. The room was a little stuffy. That's the Country Inn and Suites. But there's so many eating places out here. Sam's Club, Cabela's. We're close to I-65. Where do you control? You control that on the wall. Yeah. Control the air on the wall. What about the plugs? I see regular plugs and USB here. What about on the bed tables? Sorry if I'm swinging you guys over.
On lamps.
Okay, look. On this little table behind it, they did that perfectly. Look. Right even with your table for the USB and plugs. And yours is on the lamp and it's on the radio also on the side. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. Don't pay attention to our thing. But we have a kitchen. We have a microwave. We have a dishwasher. We have a full refrigerator, the sink. I went to the drawers. It's not like some places we stay where it's overly stocked. But it does, got silverware. That one's empty. Whoops, I didn't mean to slam it. I thought there's a pan. I thought it was some of those that catches. I guess, what is that on the stuff? Coffee pot, maybe? And up here you have a toaster, bowls, stuff like that. We do have an ice maker. We had to turn it on. Down here is your trash can and your paper towels and stuff like that. Here is a full size closet. You have a safe, a laundry basket. I mean, it's full size. Not sure if there's a light in that. There's an ironing board. No, I don't see a light. Well, you want to open that for me? Look at this, though. Most rooms we're in, you get the big mirror. Look how slim that mirror is. But it works, and you have a hook right there by the closet. But the bathroom is shaped different. Is this for the fan? Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. I do not have my walk-in shower that I love, but it's okay. It's clean. The towel rack right here. Where are the towels? I hope we have towels.
Yeah,
but you'd think they'd be hung there.
Let's see.
You got your toilet there. Do we have hooks? We have. Oh, wow, there's spares. Look at that. 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels, 2 towels. No extras. Yeah. Got your makeup remover. Yeah, the hooks are behind the door, not on. So I think it's a pretty good room.
And you do have towel rack right here.
Yeah, I know. That's usually where your towels are, so if you forget. You cut on all of our lights. We also have a bulletin board with about your stay, the telephone, the internet, severe weather alert. You want it, we got it. Make yourself at home. And yes, we ate at Raising Cane's. It was wonderful. And it always rains.
Yeah, also they have a collection of takeout areas here on the side of the refrigerator.
Some of them are not even in this town.
Oh, are they not?
The Alvaton. Anyway, this is while we're here. At Beach Bend Park, there is the Bowtie Nationals. And this is just a couple of miles, out of historic downtown. Couple of miles. We've been over there several times. Yeah, he has a chair. The two uncomfortable ones. I'm not getting your craziness. I get this one. So, let's try it out. Terry, a.k.a. the Hubs, as everybody knows him. Why don't you try out the bed? Instead of quit playing in that chair.
Well, I like the chair. It does for
I know. You can prop your feet up in the other one.
What? That I haven't noticed before. There are actually 2 phones in this room. Here's one.
Why?
And there's one by the bed.
Why would you need 2 phones?
I guess if you're actually using this as a desk to work at and needed to make a call or something, you can. Or if you wanted to make a call while you're in bed, I guess you can.
Or probably different lines, I would think.
And another thing, did you mention that the window actually opens?
Yeah, we cracked it a little when we left just to freshen it up because it had been closed up.
Yeah, you did say that. Yeah, okay. Well, then you can't.
Yeah, my husband is my memory because my memory is going. But try out the bed for us.
Okay.
Let us know if it's stiff. I haven't sat on it, so I'm curious. Well, it went down a little. Is it bouncy?
No, it's not really that bouncy. It's got.
Oh, there's the water tower. Look. Not out there. We know where the water tower is. The news is coming on. It's probably going to say, rain, rain, go away.
It's got some firms to it. I
think everything is clean. I like it that there's, hard flooring here, carpet here. Makes this warm when you get out of bed. If you make a mess over there, you just wipe it up. But, oh, goodness, look at that radar. Oh, that's been on top of us today. All in all, it's good. I think we're paying right at $100 for one night, $118, because there is a lot going on in this town. Not only are the Bowtie Nationals going on, they had something at the Corvette Museum, because this is where we came that time to go to the Corvette Museum. There's Corvettes all over this town, but we drove over there. They were doing something at their racetrack over there, and there's also some kind of big boutique marketplace, Gypsy Moon. So there's a lot going on in this town. We're going to go back out. Elvis is in town too. Elvis impersonator at the Capitol Theater. We're going to ride through town when it gets dark a little bit. I might include a shot because this is our second time visiting Bowling Green, and we're getting where we know our way around.
Yeah, sure.
I like it. Let me turn around. Yeah, he's still sitting on it. Must be comfortable. He hasn't got up, and I hadn't got up out of the chair. We got up this morning at what time? 4:30. Left at 5, and we came in the room once, looked around, went to eat at Raising Cane's, and we've been going nonstop other than now. But we're going back out one more time. I hate it. We didn't get footage today. We just got a couple of shots of the cars going down the road. What's it called? Beach Bend Park is a beautiful place, I think. And it has a water park and the roller coasters, rides like a theme park out in the country with the campground, cabins, and they also have a drag strip and an oval racetrack. So we're going to check that out tomorrow. Can't wait. Hopefully it's not too crowded where we can't get anything and the music's not too loud. But anyway, you want to go down and check out the gym, laundry, and the game room?
Yeah, I really do.
He wants to play basketball. He was like a kid in there. I would rather just sit there and watch. Here's a shot of our kitchen without the cart. The dishwasher's clean, and the refrigerator and freezer was also clean. It's pretty nice. We're walking the cart back down this long, long hall. Let me get that button. This thing tried to get me earlier, didn't it?
Yeah.
This man right here saved my life. I tried to get out before the cart, and the elevator said no. Pretty good size elevator. We got the cart. We have this much room. It jumps though. Yeah, it jumps too much. And that fan is very, very loud. All right, we're gonna check this out since the game room's full. Oh, they got nice, fancy washers. Ooh, that one's out of order. The old one's out of order. How much does it cost to do? Must be free. Is it?
Well, there's a.
It's $1, but it's $0.
Okay, well, I guess.
And what about the other? And there's a little place to fold. Sounds like they're running, but I don't see them running. Oh, it's free. It says it right there. We were wondering. Well, that's good. That is so good. And then, oh, you got to buy the supplies if you don't bring them. Now we know if we ever stay at Candlewood. When we go for long trips. Right, you have your bike that's good on your knees. Feet. A lot of those big old weights. They can go use them on. Elliptical, treadmill. I don't know what that is over here. Elevator equipment. It's not that big, but hey, we know what's on the first floor. Pac-Man? No? Oh, it's just classic arcade. Jenga, ping pong, basketball, shuffleboard. Cool. This is what he was wanting to do. Well, you could at least get it in like you were. He was getting it in till I said, let me video you. This is a fun little place. What is this called, Nations? Shuffleboard, maybe? Foosball, pool. Then there's corn, what do you call it? Cornhole things. Let's go outside. Oh, it says emergency. It says emergency exit, but outside there's 2 grills and a place to eat. Mr. Brave, we probably can't get back in.
No, we're probably.
There's a Corvette back here. They're everywhere. Yeah, you're probably supposed to come out right there down the hall. But look, we can't. It smells good. It smells like somebody grilled over there at the apartments. But where's the True? I thought the True was here. I thought it was connected to the Home to Suites. Well, anyway, he got us locked out. If it was pouring down rain, oh no. Terry, you can't get in. Can you?
Yeah, I saw somebody come in. Here we go.
Okay. Anyway, this is the pet walking area. So they must allow pets. Oh, here's another, oh, it's the smoking area. Yeah, there we go. Let us in. Since you got us locked out. Yeah, look, aren't you glad we don't have this side? We'd have a view of those apartments, which we don't have a better view, but still. All right, we're back in. Okay, back in. I think that's so cool.
Yeah.
You know, if you had time to play a game, checkers, puzzles, cooking supplies. I think the lobby's pretty, the couch. Take a look at the Candlewood cupboard. You have to use your key to get in. I'm just gonna. Ooh, you smell the there's an ice maker. You know it? I made ice cream. Enjoy bean to cup coffee and snacks. If I could just capture the smell of this, you would be hyper. Oh, their ice machine's currently out of order. Well, how cool. You're probably on camera in here, I guess. Unless all this stuff's,
that's right.
there's all this stuff free. Everything else has been, hasn't it? All right, this room's empty now, so yeah, they have a seating area, checkers, got a big TV, Pokemon trading cards. And this, we asked up front because it shows on the map that this was a pool. It was an indoor pool, and it was converted to the game room about a year and a half ago. So I think this is cool. Don't you? Which would you rather have, pool or indoor gaming
This is
center?
probably better for me because I'm not going to spend it.
But for kids in the summer, I don't know. They better keep it pretty cool in here. I like it though. For some reason, this picture speaks to me. That one little lonely tree and those scary clouds.
Thanks so much for watching my video of our stay at Candlewood Suites in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The room, it met our expectations. The bed was comfortable. The shower was fine. It was good and it was affordable. I guess I'll see it again in August for the Tri-Fi Nationals. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smile at someone, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.